This was not the plan.
Right! We are going to the station now.
Grandma's train arrives at 4 o'clock.
Not 1 minute late.
I will bake a cake for Grandma. What is my job?
Flowers on the table and keep the house calm and clean.
Can we trust you both?
Yes!
Waffle, look after them. It is going to be very easy.
Butter, sugar, eggs, flour. Perfect! I am stirring. Look! That smells strong. Ben! Ben! Orange! The butter pan is on fire!
Huh?
Water! I need water! No! No! Never water on a fire pan!
Whew, it is out. It is really out.
Grandma will not get a cake. I cannot reach it.
Oops.
I cannot see you, Ben. Waffle looks like a little cloud.
Clean first, cake second. Go, go, go! No time to lose!
The kitchen is a work in progress. It's her. Grandma is here. She arrived early. Do I look calm?
Afternoon. Parcel for Mr. Peterson?
We are not Peterson. We are Parker. 40 minutes. And a kitchen full of clouds.
It started raining and it has become so dark.
The shutters! The wind will break the windows!
Ben? Ben, where are you?
Ow! That was the table! Ugh. Got it!
Huh. You look scary in torchlight.
The cake is safe! It was already cooked. Small win.
Ben, do you hear that?
The pipe! The pipe is broken! Bucket! Get every bucket, every bowl! Buckets will not stop this. We need the main valve.
It is cold and dark and loud.
Don't be scared. I will look after you. Just stay close to me. It is stuck! It will not turn! Rosie, can you help me?
Okay, let's try to turn it together. 1, 2...
We did it! We actually did it! We are wet, covered in flour, and the cake nearly burned. Twice. But we will get it all ready for Grandma. Here is the cake for Grandma. That is fast. They are here already. Too fast.
Hello there, you two. What have you been up to? Well, this looks like a very interesting afternoon.
What happened here?
There was a small fire. And a flower explosion. And a power cut. And the pipe broke.
You handled all of that alone? Now, where is this cake I keep hearing about?
It is the best cake I have ever eaten. In my day, we called that an adventure.